Hi students, now we are going to learn about the alphabets and their sounds. See there, this is Z and the sound of Z is ij. See this letter, this is K and sound of the K is ig. And this is Y, E, F, if, G, ig. L, ill. And this is T, it. C, ig. W, we should say this W like iv. It, T, the sound of T is it. The sound of B is ib, ib. And this is R, the sound of R is ir. And this is Y, the sound of Y is E. And this is Q, the sound of Q is ig. And this is A, the sound of A is a. A is a vowel. E, E, the sound of E is a. This is one of the vowel. And this is H, ich. We should say this sound ich. H, ich, ich. And this is L, ill. And this is S, is. This is S, is. And this is H, ich. And this is C, ig. This is K, ik. And this is G, ij. And this is J, ij. And this is B, ib. And this is M, im. And this is N, in. And this is A, capital A. And X, X. W, U. And P, ip. Thank you for watching this.